Our company works hard to provide top quality service to everyone. And it's always exciting when we receive a great positive review like this one. Take a look and see what others are saying about their experience with us. This is one of our favorite reviews. We do our best to listen carefully to everyone's needs, providing the best service possible. It's great to see that our hard work is paying off. So if you're after great service that will cater to your needs, experience our first-rate, top-notch service today. We are glad you had a chance to come visit us today. Please feel free to ask us any questions.